Hello everyone, welcome back with me again, Faishal, and welcome back to the other Flutter project demo video. And in this video, I will show you my newest update for my Islamic dashboard app that is Betaqwa. So without any further ado, let's go to our demo video. Okay, so here is our file. Yes, this is the video kajian screen.dart. Yeah, for the first so for the data, for the video data, I am using a local data that I made in a map list map. So here is in data video.dart. So this is a list that have a map and have a strings, and the name is videos for this list. So yeah, this is my data. So when I want to add some other videos, I can update the data here inside here. So back again in the video kajian screen dart. So here's my app bar. Yeah, just a normal app bar, and I'll wrap my entire body with padding. So as you can see here, it's have a padding symmetrically. It's vertical for the vertical is 10 and the horizontal is 5. Then for the child, I using list view builder because I using local data, so I'm using list view builder. So yeah, this is the titles, then the Ustad's account URL, and yeah, and when we click some of the card here, it will send data to another screen that is detail video dart, and in this screen the video will play, and there are some little informations about the videos. Okay, I'll demonstrate it. So when I click this card, it will navigate me to other screens, the detail of the video, and it will play some YouTube videos. And as we can see here, there are some of descriptions like the YouTube channels and the creators and descriptions of the videos. And for playing YouTube videos, I'm using some of dependencies from that is YouTube player Flutter. Yeah, exactly. You can get for the YouTube template in the pub.dev. Okay, so yeah, I'll try to click another card. So when I click this card, it will play some videos, guys. Yeah, and it's only two screens for me this project, guys, because when we click some of the card, it will sense the data. Wait, versus syntax. I forgot about the line. Yeah, it will get the data from the video kajian screen dart. The detailed video will get the data from the card we click. Like this widget the titles. It's mean that this program take some data from the data video.dart, and then it will show the data in the UI. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for you all that watching this video, and I'm Faishal. See you in the next time.